Hey guys, my name's Crissy,
And I'm Marinda.
and today we are going to be doing an awesome science experiment. Miss Marinda's going to be leading it, and I'm going to be doing it. We're going to go over the supplies and then come back and do the experiment together.
Okay, guys, so for this experiment, you are going to need 1/2 of a lemon, and use caution when cutting your lemon. Lovely. 1/2 a teaspoon of water. A spoon, a small bowl, white paper, Q-tips, and either a lamp with a light bulb that puts off a lot of heat or another heat source like a hairdryer. And as an option, you can have a pencil to write a decoy message on your paper. To prepare, you are going to squeeze the juice of your lemon half into the bowl. Now you are going to add the 1/2 teaspoon of water into the bowl. And then you will mix it with a spoon. So you are going to think of a secret message that you would like to write and to whom you are going to deliver it. And if you want to be super secret, you can write a boring old message or draw a picture on the paper with that pencil so that you can disguise your secret message even further. So first step, you are going to soak the Q-tip in the lemon juice and water solution. Use your damp Q-tip to write your top secret message on the piece of paper. Wait for a few minutes for your paper to dry. And while you're waiting, you can switch on your lamp or give the light bulb some time to heat up if you are using a light bulb. If not, you're fine.
Not that you asked for it, but here's the science behind what makes invisible ink disappear. All invisible inks fall into two categories, organic or sympathetic. We're making an organic ink, which requires some kind of acid as its base. Lemon juice, onion juice, vinegar, milk all contain naturally occurring acids that change the chemical makeup of the paper by lowering the burn temperature of its fibers. Then, when held to heat, the invisible ink burns faster than the surrounding paper and turns brown first. Voila! Your secret message is revealed. Invisible inks date back to the time of ancient Greece over 2,000 years ago. Their version included a mixture of vinegar and potassium alum, a salt-like substance. They would paint this ink on a hard-boiled egg, and once peeled, the secret message could be read on the egg's inner membrane. How cool is that? More than just being a fun way to send notes to your friends, invisible ink has been used to transport military and government secrets since the Revolutionary War. In World War I, Germany used inks created from common household items such as headache medicine, ammonia, and laxatives to create their invisible inks. These household items were easy to obtain and also explain if the spy was caught with them. The US used invisible ink in counterintelligence operations even as recently as the 1960s. And who knows, maybe they still use it today, but they wouldn't tell us, would they?
Should I hit this with some heat now?
Yes, I think that would be a good idea.
Okay. All right. So I can kind of see it. I'm seeing if you can see it in the camera, but my secret message says full steam ahead with a smiley face. So even though it might not translate over the camera, I can really see this. And it actually almost looks kind of gray, which is pretty insane.
And I would say to our viewers or those who want to do this at home, You may have to give the lemon juice time to oxidize. It may take a bit longer than we are, showing you right now. Just because the heat, it does help to break down the carbon, but you want time for it to hit air and change color. So give it some time, maybe do this and let it sit out overnight and see what happens, because you might be surprised.
Thank you guys so much for joining us. And I hope that you go and do the science program as well at home.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.